this here car came in because we were going to replace the differential bushings here, here, and here. All of them are cracked, and which causes vibration and clunking in the rear end. And so we're doing the bushings and we're resealing the diff on all the seals. So,
and by we, he means me.
That's true. This is your differential, or final drive as BMW calls it, that takes all the torque and the powers from the engine through the drive shaft and transmission obviously, and then it converts it into the axles to the wheels. So it does a little spinny spin, gears, meshing and such. So what we've done here is we removed the cover and cleaned it up because it was just about as dirty as the rest of it, and we're going to clean the rest of it once we get it resealed. We removed the cover because it was leaking, and we're going to put new sealant all the way around it and bolt it back down. We also replaced these output shaft seals. These are the old ones. We're putting new ones in when they arrive. These just hold the differential fluid inside the differential on both sides, and then we're also replacing the input shaft seal. So the pinion seal here is getting replaced as well. We figured the differential was out, you might as well do them all at the same time so you don't have to worry about it in the future. And that makes your diff super duper happy with new fluid, new seals, and new bushings. Usually you notice it whenever you're putting your car into gear, and when it gets into gear you'll hear a big thump in the back end of the car, and that's your differential. When the bushings are torn, the differentials have excess movement, so you're hearing clumps. And or when you're driving, going around turns, you can hear it, but I notice it, unless they're completely blown out, then you might hear it all the time, a lot of vibration through it. But most likely it's when you're going into gear, like from reverse to forward, going back and forth, and then that's when you hear the big clunking.